Got a stubborn cough that just won't go away? Before you reach for medicine, check your kitchen. Start with a classic warm water, fresh lemon juice, and a spoon of honey. This soothing mix coats your throat and helps calm irritation fast. Next, slice up fresh ginger and boil it for a few minutes. Ginger is packed with anti-inflammatory power that helps ease coughing naturally. Feeling congested? Try steam inhalation. Just hot water and a towel over your head can help open up your airways and loosen mucus. Take slow sips while it's warm. This keeps your throat hydrated and gives your body time to absorb all the natural goodness. And don't forget, rest is key. Give your body time to recover, stay hydrated, and avoid cold drinks while healing.